Welcome back YouTube, VST here, NSPC Tech. Merry Christmas to everybody. Although it's Christmas, the Samsung minions are not taking any break. What do I mean? Now just see here guys, I'm entering my Galaxy store and I can see so many Samsung stock application updates, really crazy. So it doesn't really matter if it's Christmas or not, the Samsung minions are keeping the good work. Of course, I'm joking. I really hope that those guys are also having some nice time and some vacation, but nevertheless, these apps received updates and I'm going to review the changelog with you and also try to test what is testable. So the first one, guys, is Samsung account. Now the new thing here is the requirement of a two-factor authentication every time you go for a new account. The version is from the 19th of December, 28 megabytes, 14.0.0.11. All right, I'm just gonna hit here the update button. Samsung free, the best app that nobody's using except of me, because I'm using it sometimes. So the version here is 55083 from the 8th of December. There is no changelog. All right, hitting here the update button. Also an update for tips. Who would have thought about this, right? Samsung Tips is also getting a new Christmas update from the 14th of December, version 51080. Again, there is no changelog, and yeah, who knows what are the new tips? Perhaps the tip that you should buy the S23 Ultra when it gets out and just replace your S22 Ultra. Who knows? Samsung Pass also gets a nice update, hopefully nice. Of course, we don't know because there is no changelog here. Version is 4.0.083 from the 19th of December, 35 megabytes. Jesus Christ. Bixby. All right, guys, what is new here? Well, there are plenty of new things, and here is what's new. Talk to Bixby without wake up feature now works with any third-party phone application or of your choice. When you answer the phone with your preferred app set as the default phone app in the device settings, say answer phone right away without any hi Bixby. All right, so you need to have Android 13 to get that one, and it supports Korean and English. Voice filter improves speech recognition performance in noisy environments by filtering out your voice and muting the background noise. Jesus. Wow. Bixby now recommends automation routines based on your past device control commands, only on and off toggle operation of SmartThings, and etc. and etc. And I mean, guys, you know, Bixby again is really, really underrated, but it has so much power. And myself, I'm not using it. I'm also not using Google Assistant so much. But you should know that, you know, if you have a Samsung phone and you want to automate things and use routines and the Routines Plus and the Bixby, guys, this is unlimited power. Also, a new version from the photo editor, now 3.1.10.39 from the 14th of December, 29 megabytes. Hitting here also the update button. Now also you have a update for the Samsung Galaxy Friends, version 2.1.75.21 from the 12th of December. Yeah, again, no changelog here. Now, Samsung are not scarce on updates, but they are really scarce on providing changelogs. Bixby Wake Up, I guess, also in regards to the previous Bixby update, 45 megabytes. And you can now call Bixby without touching your phone, right? So you just need to register your phone and then you can just say, hey, you know, hi Bixby, whatever. But you can also try to wake Bixby without saying hi Bixby, as we've seen from the other Bixby update. This one here, Bixby Wake Up, is version 2.1.45.16 from 14th of December, 45 megabytes. And then we have also Samsung on-device resources, which I believe is used because this provides Samsung internal apps with offline voice recognition. So let's say you're not connected to the internet, but you still want to use the good stuff. 110 megabytes from the 21st of December, version 2.1.06.29. So I'm just hitting the update button here. SmartThings framework. If you're not using Google to manage your home, your smart home and all of this, SmartThings is your choice. What is new? When your Galaxy settings are changed to suit your situation in modes and routines, your smart home devices can also be changed to suit your situation. When sleep mode starts on your Galaxy, the lights can be dimmed and lights can be closed. A new device is also added in the phone app. Projector, right? So this is like some Tony Stark bullshit things. You dim the lights and then the blinds fall automatically. I mean, I don't have this type of stuff in my home. Version 1.6.0.2.3 from the end of December, almost 20 megabytes. A few more to go and probably the most exciting updates. As we see now, there is a new version from Good Lock, also Keys Cafe, Sound Assistant and Lockstar is updated. So let's just start with the first one. So Good Lock gets a new version and this one is version 2.2.4.54 plugin bulk update function. Now, yeah, it doesn't really tell us much, but the version here is from the 21st of December, version 2204.54, and I'm going to update that one. Then also a new version from Logstar, version 5009, which fixes its edit layout error, and this version again is from the 21st of December, version 50009. Alright, so I'm really happy every time I see updates from Goodlock. And then we have also, this is an interesting changelog, also an update for Sound Assistant which stabilizes GTS support. But what is GTS support? It's the Galaxy to Share settings, which sadly doesn't work yet on my device. The version here is 44003 from the 21st of October. Okay, so let's just start that one. And then we have also, guys, an update to PerfZ. This is to be used with the game plugins and all of this. So the PerfZ, there is also changelog, change display policy of CPU load, average CPU load of all cores, version 30010, almost 6 megabytes. So let's just hit that updates button. Also, you know, a nice version of Case Cafe, because this time there is a changelog and there are new features. Stereo on keyboard, 2 new Christmas themes have been added, and also 2 new effects, footprint effect added, and also keyboard color effect, paint gun, firecracker effect added, key motion effect added. Wow, right? We can probably just try to test this and see how this works. And the last 2 updates, game plugins to go along with the PerfZ, and also Samsung text-to-speech. I mean, what can we do without it? Really nothing. This version here, guys, is 330.289 from the 27th of December. Like, those guys really are working. No free days, no vacation. They are really doing this for us. So guys, let's just try to see what we can test. Probably some Keys Coffee, and let's appreciate the moment. Merry Christmas, everybody, guys. Keep watching, and really thank you for being here and spending some time with my videos. So let me just wait for this to install, and then perhaps we see some Keys Cafe new features. Let's first check the new Sound Assistant version. As I told you guys, they did some changes here to make it better with sharing via GTS. And what is Samsung GTS? This should be also a new model for Goodlock. That sadly doesn't really work here because I just get unsupported country. Yeah, this is gonna be something huge when it comes out, because it will allow really people to share their own settings, Galaxy to Share. Now, sadly, this still doesn't work on my device, so I'm not able to show you much, but okay, at least we just see how it will work in theory. So you're just gonna go inside your Goodlock modules, you're gonna do plenty of settings, then go to the hamburger menu and then share it with somebody else. Then people will be able to import it. This is really just going to help the community to further thrive and develop. And as I am inside my Goodlock, guys, I just see here an icon, update all plugins. And I'm not sure if I really saw this before, but apparently, yeah, there is this thing here. The following related apps will be updated as well, so I'm not sure. I just have a feeling I'm seeing this for the first time, where you can bulk upload the plugins from Goodlock, and this makes sense. I guess this was also part of the changelog for Goodlock. And this is really good, guys, because you don't really have to go plugin after plugin, and there are so many plugins and the list keeps growing. So this is, I guess, here this bulk update option. That's not bad at all. But all right, let's go back to Keys Cafe and let me show you guys the new Christmas themes from the keyboard and also the new effects. We also need to appreciate, of course, the new Goodlock Merry Christmas animation. I mean, Samsung are really kings for doing things like this. And here is Keys Cafe, so let's just see what the new things will bring. I have the feeling that these two are actually the new Christmas themes. I already applied the first one, and yeah, it does look quite nice. And if you don't know really what you can do with the Keys Cafe, guys, you can just pretty much pimp up your keyboard to unprecedented levels. Now, when you go to style your own keyboard, guys, you have 3 options here: colors, effects, and sounds. Let's also go and try to see the new color effects, because they're motion. Okay, yeah, this is crazy, guys. See here. Every time I just put a click, guys, it's really changing, and you can just see this is no gimmick. 3D changes. This one is very nice, guys. See here, like using an old typewriter. And there were these 2 new motion effects, but also the new color effects. Okay, sadly here I cannot see the names, but I can just see a very nice preview there. This one is nice. Let me just check it here. You see what happens? Yeah, every time I just click, guys, there is this, wow, this footprint there. And then you have, of course, the nice color effects. Yeah, this is all the power of Samsung. Wow, this one, guys. It's probably a bit too much for people like me, but I appreciate it's there. Here, select footprint, and you can just go and let me just try to choose. I'm going to choose and select this footprint, which is one of my Christmas socks. Will this actually not work? Oh my god, yes. All right guys, I really hope that you like videos like this. If you like my home setup, guys, I am going to post the link to the wallpaper and also to the icon pack that I'm using. It's very, very sick and sleek. And guys, please stay safe. Merry Christmas one more time. Happy New Year, guys. And yeah, see you soon. Wie ist die, Laurent?
Bye.
Bye.